जय भारत।
जय जय भीम बाबा, जय जय भीम, जय जय भीम बाबा, जय जय भीम।
एल्लरुक्कुम जय भीम, एल्लरुक्कुम जय भीम। First of all, I would like to pay my hearty homage to our great ancestors such as Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, the father of the Indian social revolution, Thande Periyar, the destroyer of Brahmanism in Dravidian land, Rajrishi Sahuji Maharaj, the pillar of social democracy in India, Baba Sahib Dr. V.R. Ambedkar, the father of Indian Constitution and the authentic voice of untouchables in modern India, and Dada Sahib Kansiram ji, inheritor of Dr. Ambedkar legacy and founder of BAMSEF, DS4, BRC and Bahujan Samaj Party. My respectful Jai Bhim to all, to our national coordinator and chief guest of this conference, Sri Akash Anand ji, Ramji Gautam ji, special guest and a member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, Nitin Singh ji, state coordinator of Tamil Nadu, and Mr. Armstrong ji, dynamic state president of Tamil Nadu. All the distinguished guests of the dais, my dear brothers, sisters, and friends. Dear brothers, sisters, it gives me an immense pleasure and honor to welcome our beloved national coordinator of BSP and promising leader of Bahujan Samaj of India, Mr. Akash Anand ji, this beautiful youth conference.
Jai Bhim! Jai Bhim! Jai Bhim!
Friends, I never thought about this honor, but I have got this tremendous opportunity due to my inspiration and our great leader, Bahan Kumari Mayawati ji, National President of the BSP and ex-Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. There is an old saying in Tamil that Vivekam and Vegam must go together. A perfect combination of wisdom and speed makes an organization formidable one. Any organization or movement cannot succeed if it does not follow this principle of fostering the young leadership. The experience of the senior represents the wisdom and the youth represent the force or speed. As we all aware, our party supremo, Bahan Kumari Mayawati ji, has been adopting this principle from the very beginning. In fact, this is a great lesson Manwar Kansiram Sahib had learning from the bitter experience in the life of Baba Sahib Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. For 15 years after the Parinirman of Baba Sahib Ambedkar, our movement was leaderless, as there was none to take the responsibility of carrying ahead the movement. Though Baba Sahib had many lieutenants, none was prepared to fully devote his or her life for the movement. Manwar Sahib did not want this to happen after his life, and hence he prepared many of his disciples, but none could succeed except our great leader Bahanji. So 15 December 2001, in a big rally held in Lucknow, Manwar Kansiram Sahib declared Bahanji as his sole successor. That is why our movement did not face any problem after the Parinirman or Manwar Kansiram Sahib. We are all aware that during the last 20 years, Bahanji has attempted to groom many youths to carry ahead the Bahujan Samaj movement at the national level. Bahanji too learning this lesson from a master, but no one could come up for expectations, and some have miserable failed to perform. At this stage, some of the senior party workers advised Bahanji to try her brothers. However, Bahanji did not want to bring any of her family members to the party as advised by her master Manwar Kansiram Sahib. Though Mr. Anand ji, the youngest brother of Bahanji, took up many responsibilities, voluntary on his own and stood with the Bhenji during critical times. Bhenji did not give him any position in the party. She wanted to prepare the youngsters from out the family members, but to her disappointment, none could fit the role she desired. Finally, Mr. Akash Anandji, son of the brother Anandji, soon after returning to India, completing his studies abroad, came forward to dedicate himself to the movement. Initially, Bhenji was not enthusiastic about his induction into the party, but seeing his dedication and preparedness to sacrifice for the movement, she decided to him the responsibility. Since then, Mr. Akash Anandji, our beloved national coordinator, has become a full-fledged party worker. Mr. Akashji did not disappoint to our national leader. Experience of the past and hope of the future has been merged together to handle the present effectively. Our Akashji, national coordinator, is an innovative and hopeful addition to this great combination. He has been touring the nation since 2 years, and he is too good in communicating with the party workers as well as public. We are seeing him very promising and hopeful. You know, today the Bhujan movement is having the perfect combination of wisdom of experience and senior leaders, and also the force of the highly qualified youth like Akashji. So, I am really happy to introduce and welcome to most promising leader, none of others, Akashji, to the land of Tande Periyar, the father of self-respect movement. I request all of you to welcome with big applause.
जय भारत
Akashji संघर्ष करो, Akashji संघर्ष करो.
வாழ்கவே ஆகாஷ் ஆனந்த்ஜி வாழ்கவே
எங்கள் ஓட்டல் உங்கள் ஆட்சி, எங்கள் ஓட்டல் உங்கள் ஆட்சி,
நடக்காதே நடக்காதே
எங்கள் ஓட்டல் உங்கள் ஆட்சி,
நடக்காதே
எங்கள் ஓட்டல் உங்கள் ஆட்சி.
நடக்காதே நடக்காதே
எல்லாருக்கும் ஜெய் பீம். Thanks.
Ready 1 2 3 shot. जय भीम.
जय भीम, जय भारत.
जय जय भीम